of the things that we do a lot of in our work is facilitate conversations with boards and senior management teams and other executives. And oftentimes when you're facilitating a meeting like that, someone will see something that just doesn't fit. So the challenge is when you're dealing with a bad idea or a non sequitur or something that everybody knows is actually not material of the conversation, how do you deal with that? And how do you help not insult the person, but then move on in a productive way? So we have a couple tips that we typically use. The first thing you do is you acknowledge it and then ask, what do other people think? And if other people actually like the idea, then maybe you're wrong and it's actually pretty salient. The other thing to do is to make sure they don't feel badly about it, but then segue back to the most important topics at hand. And as a facilitator, part of the job is to make sure you stay on point. So very simple advice, don't let people feel dumb when they say something that may not be useful. And then secondly, for the rest of the crowd, make sure you do get the conversation back on track in a way that's material to the ultimate objectives that you have that day.